Hey Jess, have you seen our latest TikTok?
Yeah, I love it.
What's wrong? You don't sound so good.
I'm just so stressed out.
Why? What's going on?
Like, I have all these new arrivals and they're so cute. Like, I'm obsessed, but I don't have time to show my customers. Do you have any ideas?
Well, have you thought of Facebook Live?
Wait, the Facebook Live?
Yeah, girl, it's a new thing. You better hop on it.
That's crazy. So crazy, it might just work. So I hope you guys enjoyed that skit. It was definitely a lot of fun making it for sure. I wanted to formally introduce you, Grace. She is in charge of our social media. So she is the girl behind all the fun TikToks, the really cool YouTube videos you guys have been seeing.
Hello everyone, my name is Grace. It's nice to meet you all and I'm excited to get to know more of you guys through our Facebook Lives. Like Jess said, we are going to start doing Facebook Live, so please make sure you guys join our private Facebook group and our new private Instagram account. We did create these two new platforms for you guys so that you guys have a new channel to shop with us. So once again, please join our private Facebook group and follow our new Instagram account.
Yes, we are so excited. Our first Facebook Live is going to be
on September 29th.
Yes, so make sure that you guys are joining our Facebook group and our private Instagram account. This is super important because we are gonna have so much fun. We're gonna have giveaways and surprises and we're just really fun to hang out with. So make sure that you guys join our group right now.
I can't wait to spend some time with you guys and get to know a lot more of you guys through our lives. And yeah,
we'll see you guys September 29th. Yes, bye.